Today we are replacing Magnetron on Miele Combi Oven Microwave. We are working on 6000 range model H6800BM, but this guide should work with most 4000, 5000 and 6000 range Miele Combi ovens. Let's grab some tools and let me show you what to do so we have working microwave in no time. Before carrying out any repairs or maintenance, make sure your appliance is isolated from power supply. Unplug from the wall or switch off from the spare. Be careful before removing the machine, is very heavy, usually this is 2-man lift. Okay, after placing machine somewhere safe, remove all the screws from the top cover. Now we need to gain the access to our Magnetron. Do not touch any electrical parts until capacitor is discharged. I'm wearing gloves and using pair of pliers to create a short on capacitor to discharge it. Next, remove the fuse from the power board and test for continuity. In most cases, if Magnetron is faulty, fuse needs replacing. I would recommend ordering one from Miele to avoid any mistakes in fuse rating, but you should be able to get one in any electrical store. Our fuse is rated at 12 amps and 250 volts, but this is depending on the model of the appliance. Now, to expose our Magnetron, we need to cut the channel above it. The lines are marked. All you need is a Stanley knife just to run on the lines so you can remove the channel. Disconnect the thermal fuse and start cutting the channel. You might need to run your Stanley knife a few times over the lines as the plastic is quite hard, but eventually it will give up. With a T10 screwdriver, remove 2 screws holding temperature limiter and remove the temperature limiter, so we can remove our channel. Now you need to 8mm spanner or any kind of socket to undo 4 bolts holding the Magnetron. Take the note of polarity of the cables and disconnect the Magnetron. Gently pull the Magnetron out and discard from the machine. You can quickly test the old Magnetron for the continuity. And, as you can see on the video, the old Magnetron does not have any continuity. Looking on the new one, the Magnetron has got continuity. Now it's time to put everything back in reverse order. In this video, it's no point for me giving you part numbers for magnetron, fuse, diode or capacitor, only because there is a few different types and everything depending on the model. The best way forward is just to take your model, your serial and your index number, contact Miele and order correct parts. If you're struggling with finding correct part numbers for your machine, drop me a comment with your model, serial and index number and I can help you find it for you. Now, to secure our channel which we cut previously, we're gonna need a small conversion kit to hold the channel. The conversion kit comes with the magnetron inside the box. It's the 2 brackets and 4 screws. Everything is ready and marked, so you just apply the brackets and apply 4 T20 screws to secure the channel. Refit the temperature limiter and secure with 2 screws. Refit the main connection to the magnetron. Make sure you took the note of polarity. If you swap the cables the other way around, machine will trip the fuse. In some cases, if you still do not have a heat after fitting magnetron and the fuse, sometimes you need to change the diode. It's the component attached into the capacitor. And that's it, we're pretty much done. Reinstall the lead, reinstall the machine, and test it. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be posting more videos like that, and I see you in the next one.